We need to stay in our own lanes. When you own a business, you can't be looking at the guys that have 10, 20, 30 years in. You can't compare to where they're at now and where you're at now, because those guys that have the 10, 20, 30 years in were right where you are right now. We got to focus on our own goals and not let anything distract us. We can't let distractions get in the way. We got to look at our day and see how much is my day consisting of being on social media all day or watching TV. We have to start prioritizing. It's important when you're researching other people in your field, how they're doing things, is to not consume too much content. Pick one guy and stick with them, because especially at the dumpster rental business game, everybody's going to do everything a little different. So don't try to find the perfect method to run your business, because everyone's going to have their own thesis about it. So maybe pick a couple pieces here and there, but don't overload yourself in too much content. Another thing is we got to look at our day and see how much of that day is being taken up by being on social media or watching TV or playing video games, yada, and replace maybe part of that with, okay, I'm now making a YouTube video or thinking of a social media post or making content. Just the past few months of prioritized business, just the last few months being focused on my business and taking more time out of my day to put back into my business has been huge. So we gotta stay in our lane. Don't look at the guys that got 10, 20, 30 years in. You'll be there one day, but focus on you right now. Don't consume too much content. Everyone's gonna have their own method to their madness. And let's try to prioritize our time and put back into our business as much as we can. Thank you so much for watching. Have a great day.